Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. I hope you have used my analysis that I posted yesterday about New Zealand dollar and about Canadian dollar, which was very profitable, and people who were in position, some students of mine, uh, sent me text message and they thanked me. I hope you subscribe my channel and turn the bell on, because sometimes I see some analysis like this and I post it for you to use. All right, but let's get started. Today we're going to talk about Forex market, and the first market, as you can see, we're going to talk about is not the market but the power and index of United States dollar. After the meeting of Federal Reserve last night, we could see what happened, and after a very strong bullish, phase or bullish trend, we had a breakout here, pullback, another pullback, and somehow like trading range up to this moment that the Federal Reserve started the meeting, and we had a bearish phase, and you can see that the price is moving between these two lines. What I expect would be, trading range for some days between these two zones, and the zone here and this zone. Okay, so we might have trading range in these two zones for the next phase or the next decision. What I still think is stronger USD, okay, and stronger dollar currency, but it takes time. People were happy last night. They say, okay, did you see that Bitcoin, and did you see Euro, and that. But I want to tell you that it is for short time, and as you can see, US dollar index is getting stronger at the moment of speaking. All right, now at the same time, we can see EURUSD, and yeah, let me just update my, because I was watching that a couple of hours ago. But what happened for EURUSD? EURUSD, you see that last night, because of the Federal Reserve meeting, so we had a breakout of this zone, which I told you that we might have trading range. But again, you see the dollar is getting stronger, and it was able to hit this target. And as I told you and drawn these, you can go and watch the previous videos, and exactly this line we had reaction. All right, what I expect for euro would be, again, weaker euro, but it takes time. You should wait, but for some days we might have trading range. What I think is like this, but it is probable even we have a stronger euro up to 1.07. All right, and we might see this zone again because of the power of these candles that happened, and we had it last night anyway. But if we have breakout of this zone would be the next target for you. If not, so this zone is a target, and we might have trading range between 1.05 and 1.06. This is what I think for today's market. Okay, about the pound, Great British Pound, you can see the same situation happened, and I still think that for pound we are in a trading range. Okay, something like this happened last night, and we could see the market. I told you that these two lines act strongly, and I guess we are still in a trading range. Many people went for buy here, and they just their stop loss activated right now, and just I guess we might see this zone again, and what I think is trading range at the moment And if we have any breakout, according to technical analysis and classic patterns, it could be from this side. And we just see a stronger British pound if Bank of England increases the rates. And in this case, we can see stronger Great British Pound. All right. The next one is JPY. Okay. Japan. Oh my God. Something happened for JPY last night. It was incredible. Look at this. I have drawn this wedge for you, and I said if we have breakout from either side, we can go for buy or sell. At the moment of speaking, you can see we had a breakout because of the meeting. So if we have any reaction to this zone, okay, we might have some days trading range, and we might see this line again, okay? But what I expect is if you see this line and if you draw the parallel line completely parallel, we could have you know, a small channel here, and you can see these zones, and 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you can draw these lines, you know, these lines, and you can see that the midline of channel is strong resistance now because they have these two lines, but you should update, make your chart clean like this. And I guess this line can act as a resistance and this line can act as support at the moment. But if we have breakout of this zone and this trend line, we might see this trend line, which is the down line of the channel. And just two markets left, okay? Canadian dollar and Australian dollar. Take a look at Canadian dollar USD, and you can see I told you in my previous analysis and in my previous videos, if you go and watch, I told you that this line is a very strong line for demand. Okay, this is a demanding zone for Canadian dollar. And we had a great, you know, reaction to this zone, and we might see that it is getting stronger. The first resistance it has on the way would be this zone I have told you, and this zone as I told you. Nothing else to add. But if we have, you know, weaker Canadian dollar, you can expect this line as a good support. That's it. And the last one is Australian dollar. So we can see Australian dollar had the same situation last night in comparison with United States dollar, but at the moment you can see you know, United States dollar is getting stronger. And yeah, okay, I told you if you know, United States dollar is getting stronger and something happens during the market when Mr. Powell talks, so we could extend this channel because we didn't know what the talk was about. Now we can just delete this, and what we had was this channel that we had a breakout from the bottom, and this zone we had some, you know, reaction to this zone. Now I can extend it a little bit, yeah. And what we see is maybe is going to be a pullback to this line, and maybe the rest of bearish trend because Bank of Australia had increased the rates, and Australian dollar is getting more powerful. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, everybody, and I hope you're doing well. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share these videos with your friends. Nothing in these videos is financial advice. Everything is just for education. Have a great time.